Hello. Today we make a thumbnail in alight motion in few minutes. In this video we making thumbnail of our lastest video. First we open alight motion and create a new project. Now we add a new background picture for thumbnail. Then we add a effect Gaussian blur. And set it on 0.045 or adjust as your requirements. Now we add a new picture which related with video topic. Now we add a border on this picture outside border with size of 15 and adjust the border colors. Now we give this picture layer a shadow. In shadow we give this shadow size 114 and alpha 100%. You can also adjust this as suitable. Now we add a highlighted rectangle border and adjust it as requirement. Now we add a new layer of arrow picture. This arrow picture has a white background. For remove this we add chroma key and set its color white. Now we a new effect which called long shadow. We set it alpha as 100%, size of 0.050 and angle as 177. Now we add text. In text here we take text size 80 and choose the font name Burbank Big Condensed Black. Now we adjusted it. We give this a gradient color and set it. Now we add a 4 size black stroke and add long shadow effect with alpha 100%, angle 45 and size 0.020. Now we add a white border with size 4. Now we add text with same settings, but now we give this another gradient colors. And now adjust as per requirement. Now we copy this text and replace that text and adjust new text on thumbnail. Now we add a new text with same settings but with some new color gradient. Now we this text and replace this text and adjust this. Now thumbnail is ready. You can find these files in descriptions. You can also make your own thumbnail with your creative imagination. It video purpose is giving your idea of making a thumbnail on your alight motion. It's totally depend on your thinking. Thank for watching the video. Have a creative day.